Welcome brainers! In this video, we're going to fix a common issue that many MySQL users encounter. Client does not support authentication protocol requested by server. MySQL supports a variety of authentication plugins, each offering different levels of security and compatibility. To find the system-wide default authentication plugin supported by your MySQL server, use this show variables command. Please note that this system-wide default can be overridden by user-level settings. You can check the user-level authentication plugin details using this simple select query. You're facing this error because your client application doesn't support the authentication plugin specified for your MySQL user. You can address this situation in two ways. Solution 1. Alter SQL user settings. Please execute this alter command to update the user ID specified in your application code. This'll switch the authentication plugin to MySQL native password for better compatibility with older client applications. Use flush privileges to apply those changes immediately. Now, let's run the application code that was giving error previously. Great, the issue has been resolved, and I no longer see an error. Solution 2. Update or change client libraries. Let's start by updating the client libraries. If this doesn't resolve the issue, we'll switch to altogether a different library that supports the latest authentication plugins. As I'm working on a Node.js project, I'll use the command npm update mysql to update my client libraries. Now, let's check if this resolves the issue. Unfortunately, it didn't fix the problem. It's likely that the support for the latest authentication method is still not added to the specific client package. The next step is to look for a client package that accommodates newer authentication plugins. Specifically, this package from Oracle supports caching SHA-2 authentication. You can install it using the command provided here. Please note that the code modules may differ slightly from the default Node.js provided client libraries. So please adjust your code accordingly. Once everything is set up, check if this new MySQL client library works fine. Yes, it does. I no longer encounter the error. I hope this is helpful. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you've any questions or thoughts, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.